In this video, we will explore the less than, equal to, and greater than symbols, and strategies for remembering which symbol is used to tell whether one quantity is more than, less than, or the same value as another quantity. Is this the symbol that means greater than, or is it the symbol that means less than? One strategy we can use is to put dots at the vertices of the symbol. If I add dots to this symbol, there will be 2 dots on the left and 1 dot on the right. I know that 2 is more than 1, so this inequality is read as 2 is greater than 1. When I add dots to this symbol, there is 1 dot on the left and 2 dots on the right. I know that 1 is less than 2, so this inequality is read as 1 is less than 2. If I add dots to this symbol, there will be 2 dots on both sides. I know that 2 is the same value as 2, so this equality is read as 2 is equal to 2. Decide which set is greater, set A or set B. The value of the blocks on the left is 20, and the value of the blocks on the right is 15. Since 20 is more than 15, I make the 2 dots by the 20 and the 1 dot by the lesser number 15. Then I connect the dots from top to bottom. I can now read the inequality as 20 is greater than 15. Pause the video now to compare the 2 values on the screen. Write an inequality using the correct symbol. The value on the left is 28, and the value of the blocks on the right is 35. Since 28 is less than 35, I make the 1 dot by the lesser number 28 and 2 dots by the greater number 35. Then I connect the dots from top to bottom, and I can now read this inequality as 28 is less than 35. Pause the video again to compare the 2 values on the screen. Write an inequality to show which number is greater. The value on the left side is 36. The value on the right side is also 36. Since 36 is the same value as 36, I make 2 dots next to each number. Then I connect the dots from side to side. I can now read this equality statement as 36 is equal to 36. Pause the video again to compare the 2 values on the screen. Write an inequality using the correct symbol. The value on the left is 43. The value of the blocks on the right is 62. Since 43 is less than 62, I make 1 dot next to the lesser number 43 and 2 dots next to the greater number 62. Then I connect the dots from top to bottom. I can now read the inequality as 43 is less than 62. Pause the video again to compare the 2 values on the screen. Write your inequality using the correct symbol. The value of the blocks on the left is 71. The value of the blocks on the right is 69. Since 71 is more than 69, I make 2 dots next to the greater number 71 and 1 dot next to the lesser number 69. Then I connect the dots from top to bottom, and I can read the inequality as 71 is greater than 69. Another strategy for remembering which symbol to use is using an open number line. I write the two numbers I want to compare on an open number line from least to greatest. 187 is greater, so it is placed on the right side of the open number line. 143 is less, so it is placed on the left side of the number line. If I am going to start my inequality with the lesser number, which is 143, I use the symbol from the number line that is closest to that number. In this case, I start my inequality with the number 143. The less than symbol is at the end of the number line closest to 143, so I write that symbol next. Then I write the other number, 187, and I can then read my inequality as 143 is less than 187. However, if I start my inequality with the greater number, which is 187, I need to use the symbol from the right side of the number line. In this case, 187 is greater than 143. Which strategy do you like best for using the comparison symbols?